plans make sense, we need to actually remove information from the plans as well as adding other information to it. One of the ways that we remove that information is to change the representation. So if we only have our core, that means that we're using composite wall sections and we're choosing to show the core only. If we change that to entire model, we'd see that the walls are much more built up and showing a more variety of elements. Some of these walls also are hidden because they're not structurally load-bearing walls, they're just partition walls. So we can see that the walls on the bathroom are not showing. And so in order to be able to show those, we might need to change the layer combination as well. So if we scroll down the bottom, walls, non-structural, so we can see that's going to turn on these other walls. And so it's a combination of these two things that's representing it that way. We can also see, we talked about before, that the doors have been significantly simplified. So if we change the model view options to say construction, we'll have a lot more information that shows on these. We can also change the graphic override. So one graphic override here is changing the doors so they're showing as dashed. If we change that to construction, we see that will also change. So these are only a few very small changes that are being made to the model, and we can change these in a bigger variety, but this is just a simple way of understanding what the difference is between the representation of the walls, the model view option, and the graphic override. We can set all of these up under document. Now in terms of the partial structural display, we don't have many options. That's really just set by what we have available in ArchiCAD already. But when we come to pens, model view options, graphic overrides, and renovation filters, we can adjust all of those representations. So we really can make it look just the way that we want.